Hey, how you doing? Austin here with your latest update related to Shiba Inu. Not particularly great right now. Let's just say what it is, right? Okay, so you can see from the screen, we are down about 9 or 10% approximately right now. I would tell you that the overall cryptocurrency market right now is down, if not a little bit flat. There is not any really new news impacting Shiba related to a kind of a newsworthy catalyst event out there. Okay, so this is a scenario where we are just simply trying to trading in a new sideways pattern right here after the fallout from the China-geddon, or whatever you want to call it, right? When the entire cryptocurrency market just kind of fell apart earlier this week for a day, for about 36 hours, give or take, and well, it's a little bit longer than that with the fallout and everything, like all the news cycles, etc. Okay, so as always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a broker nor a financial advisor. This is not investment advice, right? Still scammers below, so don't interact with them if they're trying to get you to go to WhatsApp, or they look like me, it's not me, all that kind of stuff. I always got to remind you guys. And so let's take a look at where we're at with what the current scenario is. Okay, we've dropped a placeholder. So remember, this is 10, this is 100, this is 1,000, this is 10,000, excuse me, right here. This is 100,000. So this would be 100,000 of a dollar, and this is million. Okay, so we've dropped a placeholder right here. So we need to get back to this spot right here, and well, of course, and back to that, and then moving on. Okay, we've got catalysts out there. We've got Shiba Swap coming. Everything I'm hearing is that it's they're testing the heck out of that, and they're working on it, and it's looking good. And we should see that in the very near future. Hopefully, what will happen from there is that we will. That is kind of our next major catalyst, and we will continue to kind of move up from there. Now, I'm also going to give you a little bit of good news, and the good news is this. I want to show you. You guys know I spend an inordinate. There's your word of the day. Inordinate. I spend an excessive amount of time online looking for news, okay, for Dogecoin, Cardano, XRP, and all that kind of stuff. And I'm always looking to kind of get a state of the union and always kind of seeing what's happened. And I've talked about this in my Dogecoin videos, but I really want to talk about it in my Shiba Inu video now, because I think there's something kind of new developing. And if you're watching my Dogecoin content, you'll notice that I've been talking about the fact that when an article comes out, that it comes out and the article's talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we all know Bitcoin and Ethereum. They are the gold standard. They are the blue chips of cryptocurrency. They're and you know, whether you love them or hate them or whatever you feel about them, I'm talking about them from a news standpoint, and they've been around for a long time, things like that, okay? Well, I've been talking about the fact that Dogecoin is starting to be mentioned in the context, like right here. Crypto crash, drastic fall of Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu coin continues. But that's actually the one that reminded me of this of what I was telling you. But my point is that when an article comes out talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum, they would say, oh, and Dogecoin, blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm starting to see that a little bit with Shiba Inu right here. Look, this is it. This is kind of what grabbed my attention. Look, I'm saying Shiba Inu is being mentioned in the same breath as Ethereum and Dogecoin, okay? Shiba Inu is a coin that is literally in its infancy relative to how long it's been around. It is not a very old coin. We all know that. It is brand new, really, in the eyes of the cryptocurrency. And you always got to remember there are thousands of cryptocurrency coins and tokens out there. And for the fact of Shiba Inu to stand out and starting to stand on its own legs from a media scenario, media coverage scenario is really what I mean, is very interesting to me, okay? And it speaks highly of the SHIB army and the SHIB factor and the Shiba Inu marketing scenario that seems to be developing, because and the reason it happened, which was smart of Shiba Inu, they coined themselves as the Dogecoin killer, right? The Doge killer. And I particularly didn't like that as because I love Doge, right? I didn't like that it was a Dogecoin killer kind of moniker, but it was from a marketing perspective, it was a very, very smart thing to do because it immediately attached Shiba Inu to Dogecoin from a media marketing standpoint. And so we've started to get more and more media coverage is really what I'm saying to you. And so, yeah, I mean, yeah, this is talking about the crash and the drastic fall, but my point is it's still media coverage, okay? And media coverage is a big part of what a coin, a cryptocurrency needs is to get, awareness and to continue to get people to be interested in it and to want to seek out content and ultimately to maybe put money into it, okay? So I'm just giving you an update on that. Now, let's talk about Shiba Inu. We've got other catalysts that we need out there. We need to get on additional exchanges. Right now we are on, Binance and some of these other guys, right? Binance, KuCoin, etc. We've got to get on some additional exchanges. I keep hearing in the comments and is Robinhood going to list it? Maybe Webull, what have you? And I'm not seeing anything concrete to that, guys, yet. I mean, there are rumors to that effect, but there's been no news come out related to that effect. But we've got, the minute we get announced that we're getting on a fairly major exchange, we will get a tremendous bounce back up. I mean, Coinbase or anything like that, we will get a major move up, right? So we've got to get another catalyst around that. We've got the Shiba swap thing out there. And that's just kind of got to happen, right? And so if you look, though, kind of where we're at right now, the overall 24-hour high and low, it's not a lot. It's trading in a very narrow range down here on the right-hand side. You can see that. And again, we've got this kind of sideways pattern. Guys, this is almost the exact same chart that I've got for Dogecoin, frankly. I mean, it looks almost exactly perfectly the same as Dogecoin, okay? So if we look at the overall cryptocurrency market, I have not refreshed this since about 7 or 8 p.m. last night or somewhere in that area. So if I refresh that, you're going to see what I kind of expected to see, okay? The overall cryptocurrency market is flat right now. It is not doing anything. It is not going really up and it's not going really down, okay? I mean, look, Bitcoin is up 1.8%, Ethereum is down 0.37, Binance up that, Cardano's down 3%, XRP's down 3%, Dogecoin is down 2% now, ICP's down 4%, Litecoin's down 2%, Chainlink 1%, and Polygon, which is one of my favorites, is down 12%. You can see Ethereum Classic is up 3.9. And look at these charts over here. I mean, 7 days, a lot of red. This is all because of China-geddon. I think we're kind of in this kind of lull, kind of really nothing moving really period. I think people are kind of taking a breath. This has been a very traumatic week in the overall market. We had major trauma and carnage over in the in the stock markets and things like that. So this is kind of where I'm not hugely surprised. This is where we're at, guys. Okay, we've got some events out there for us, Shiba swap, etc. We got to get some positive news coming out related to the overall cryptocurrency market, and maybe some positive news around Doge, and some positive news subsequently around Shiba. Continuing to roll up from there. Okay, guys, so remember, always diversify your risk. Put some money into some different cryptos. As you know, I've mentioned a couple times the ones I really like, and put some money into the stock market, ETF funds, things of that nature. Don't put every dime you have into Shiba, of course. I've said that a bunch of times. Don't put every bit of your money into Dogecoin, right? Move your money around. A little bit, just have a kind of an overall investing strategy in that capacity. And yeah, okay, so we're gonna end there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you down the road. And make good choices, right? And protect yourself, and I'll see you down the road. Go make some money.